At Sylvane, we've partnered with businesses like yours for over 20 years. Whether eliminating unwanted moisture in commercial spaces, tackling water damage restoration projects, or just providing cleaner, drier, more comfortable air, many businesses have found solutions with Sylvane. We will work with you to find the right products and competitive pricing. And you'll always talk to trained product experts working from our headquarters in Georgia. We provide fast, free shipping across the country. Our warehouse stocks thousands of products that can ship same day. Call us today for a free quote. Our friendly solution specialists are ready to help you find the right air treatment solution for your business.